If you're starting a quilting business or trying to upgrade your current setup, you already know that not every sewing machine can handle serious quilting work. Some machines struggle with thick quilt sandwiches, some don't give you enough workspace, and others just aren't built for long sewing sessions day after day. So in this video, we're counting down the 7 best sewing machines for a quilting business, from reliable workhorses to premium quilting machines designed for serious production work. And stick around till the end, because the #1 machine on this list is an absolute quilting powerhouse. Let's get started. Number 7, Brother PQ1600S. Starting at number 7, we've got a machine that many quilters swear by for speed and reliability. The Brother PQ1600S is a straight stitch only machine built for people who sew a lot. If you run a quilting business and spend hours piecing quilts, sewing binding, or working on large projects, this machine feels like a serious upgrade from a standard home machine. The biggest highlight here is speed. This thing can hit 1,500 stitches per minute, and once you get comfortable with it, quilting projects move much faster. You also get a large extension table, adjustable feed dog settings, knee lift control, automatic thread cutting, and a roomy workspace that makes handling bulky quilts easier. And despite the industrial style power, it's actually pretty beginner-friendly for a machine in this category. Now, there are a few drawbacks. The side-loading bobbin placement takes some getting used to, and the automatic needle threader isn't exactly amazing. Some users also mention that the machine gets loud at higher speeds. But overall, if your quilting business focuses heavily on straight stitching and production-style sewing, the PQ1600S delivers excellent value. Number 6. Juki TL2010Q. At number 6, we have one of the most respected quilting machines on the market. The Juki TL2010Q is basically a semi-industrial straight-stitch beast. It's fast, heavy, incredibly solid, and built to handle demanding sewing projects without feeling stressed. And honestly, the stitch quality is what makes people fall in love with this machine. Straight seams come out clean, sharp, and perfectly consistent. For quilting businesses, that level of precision matters a lot, especially when you're piecing hundreds of seams. This machine also flies through thick fabrics, denim, canvas, multiple quilt layers. It handles them with confidence. You get 1,500 stitches per minute, knee lift control, speed adjustment, automatic thread cutting through the foot pedal, and excellent free motion quilting capability. It also feels extremely durable thanks to the mostly metal construction. Now the downsides. This machine only does straight stitches. No zigzag, no decorative options. The built-in lighting is also pretty weak, and some users struggle with the walking foot during straight-line quilting. It also needs regular oiling and maintenance. But if your quilting business is focused on precision piecing, heavy-duty sewing, or free motion quilting, this machine is an absolute workhorse. Number 5. Juki HZLF600. Now, at number 5, we move into a much more feature-packed machine. The Juki HZLF600 is one of the best all-around sewing and quilting machines for people who want industrial-style feeding performance with the flexibility of a computerized machine. And this machine really does a little bit of everything. You get 255 built-in stitches, automatic buttonholes, speed control, knee lift support, automatic thread cutting, and one of the smoothest feeding systems in this category. Juki borrowed technology from their industrial machines for the box feed system, and you can feel the difference when sewing. Fabric feeds evenly and smoothly, which is a huge advantage when quilting or sewing multiple layers. Quilters also love the included extension table and walking foot. And unlike straight stitch only machines, this one can handle garments, decorative sewing, home decor projects, and quilting without missing a beat. Another thing owners constantly mention is how quiet and smooth the machine feels during operation. Now, it's not perfect. Some users report occasional tension frustrations or thread bunching issues, and the automatic needle threader may not hold up forever. But overall, this is one of the best premium all-around machines for a quilting business that also handles custom sewing projects. Number 4. Janome MC6650. Coming in at number 4, we've got a machine that feels much more industrial than most domestic quilting machines. The Janome MC6650 combines speed, strength, and quilting-friendly features into one seriously capable package. Right away, the 10-inch all-metal flatbed stands out. You get a ton of room for larger quilts, bags, and layered projects. And thanks to the aluminum body and interior frame, the machine feels sturdy and stable even during long sewing sessions. It can sew up to 1,000 stitches per minute and includes 172 built-in stitches, programmable memory settings, adjustable presser foot pressure, independent bobbin winding, and an automatic thread cutter. But what really makes this machine stand out is its ability to handle thick materials. Quilters and bag makers constantly praise how easily it powers through heavy seams, multiple layers, and dense fabrics while still producing smooth, clean stitches. The extra high presser foot lift also helps a lot when managing bulky quilt sandwiches. Now, there are a few complaints worth mentioning. Some users report timing issues or thread cutter problems over time, and since the machine is fairly heavy, portability isn't exactly its strong point. Still, for quilting businesses that need a durable, powerful machine capable of handling serious workloads, the MC6650 is an excellent choice. Number 3. Grace Little Rebel. At number 3, we've got one of the most unique quilting machines on this list. The Grace Little Rebel is designed specifically for quilters who want an affordable path into frame quilting and free motion quilting without jumping into a super expensive long arm setup. And honestly, this machine is pretty impressive. You can switch from regular sewing to quilting mode very quickly, and it even works with Grace quilting frames for a much more professional quilting experience at home. One of the biggest features here is built-in stitch regulation. That's a huge advantage for quilting businesses because it helps maintain consistent stitch length while quilting, even when your movement speed changes. You also get a large throat space, bright lighting, M-class bobbins, a built-in bobbin winder, and speeds up to 1,600 stitches per minute. Owners especially love how stable the machine feels on quilting frames and how much easier free motion quilting becomes compared to standard domestic machines. Now, this machine definitely leans more toward quilting than general sewing. It's heavy, louder than regular sewing machines, and the threading process takes some practice. It's also more focused on straight stitch quilting performance than decorative sewing. But if quilting is the heart of your business, the Little Rebel offers serious value. Number 2. Janome Horizon Memory Craft 9410QC. At number 2, we have a machine that feels incredibly refined and professional. The Janome Horizon Memory Craft 9410QC is built specifically for serious quilters who want premium features, precision stitching, and a smoother quilting experience overall. And this machine absolutely delivers. You get a huge 11-inch workspace, 300 built-in stitches, a high-definition color touchscreen, automatic presser foot lift, ruler work support, and advanced quilting controls designed for detailed creative work. The stitch quality on this machine gets praised constantly by longtime sewists and professional quilters alike. Another major highlight is Janome's AccuFeed Flex system, which helps guide layered fabrics smoothly and accurately during quilting and piecing. The machine also supports variable zigzag for free motion quilting, includes ruler work accessories, and offers excellent stitch customization features. And despite having advanced features, owners repeatedly describe the machine as intuitive and easy to learn. Now, this is definitely a premium investment, and some buyers mention that the optional AccuFeed accessories should really be standard at this price. But if your quilting business focuses on custom quilting, detailed work, and premium project quality, the 9410QC is an outstanding machine. Number 1. Janome Continental M6. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, the Janome Continental M6 is a full-on quilting powerhouse. This machine feels like it was built specifically for people who spend serious time quilting every single day. You get a massive 13.5-inch workspace, 400 built-in stitches, ruler work mode, stitch tapering, variable zigzag control, optical bobbin monitoring, and a large 7-inch touchscreen display. And honestly, the workspace alone is enough to impress most quilters. Large quilts move smoothly across the seamless flatbed, visibility is excellent thanks to the bright LED lighting system, and the machine feels extremely powerful while sewing through layered fabrics. One feature quilters especially appreciate is the optical bobbin monitoring system. Instead of discovering your bobbin ran out halfway through a seam, the machine warns you early, which can save a lot of frustration during quilting projects. The machine also includes independent bobbin winding, advanced quilting features, and a very smooth sewing experience overall. Now, there are occasional reports of sensor or alignment issues after jams, and this is definitely a premium level machine both in size and price. But when it comes to combining workspace, quilting tools, sewing power, and long session comfort, the Continental M6 stands at the top of the list. So that's the list 7 best sewing machines for a quilting business. If you want a fast straight stitch workhorse, the Juki TL2010Q or brother PQ1600S are fantastic. If you need versatility for quilting plus general sewing, the Juki HZLF600 and Janome MC6650 are excellent choices. And if you want premium quilting performance with advanced features and massive workspace, the Janome 9410QC and Continental M6 are hard to beat. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more sewing machine comparisons and quilting gear reviews. And if you want links to all these machines, check the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.